Schools getting funding for students that never existed. The SHS voucher program was meant to help students and decongest public schools. But for years, it may have funded ghost beneficiaries. House Assistant Majority Leader Jill Bongalon wants a joint congressional probe to find out how deep this goes.
So imagine millions of pesos ang nasayang na supposedly pwede sana may dagdag no, sa mga pondo or programa na may kinalaman sa kalusugan, sa ating mga kabataan, and of course, with to the assistance of our health workers or any other important programs of the government.
Reports show the scheme started as early as 2016 under former President Rodrigo Duterte's administration. Private schools allegedly enrolled fake students to collect government subsidies. It continued under Vice President Sara Duterte's leadership at DepEd. Bongalon asks why the problem was never addressed.
But then again, the Vice President, the then DepEd Secretary, parang hindi niya po ito naging priority nung siya po ay Secretary ng Department of Education.
DepEd Secretary Sonny Angara is now investigating 12 private schools that allegedly falsified enrollment records and defrauded government of 52 million pesos in just one school year. But Bongalon says DepEd's internal probe is not enough. Congress must step in to identify loopholes in the law and hold officials accountable.
So maganda yung programa. Ang problema lang, of course, naging nakita nila ito no, na isang source of corruption.
Bongalon compares it to allegations of ghost employees under former President Rodrigo Duterte's term as mayor of Davao City.
Mukhang ganito kasi yung nangyari no, noong 2016 during the time of PRRD. May mga ghost teams. Of course, allegations like ghost employees. Of course, yung mga other allegations during his term.
Bongalon wants to probe not just school owners, but also current and former DepEd officials. The Education Department told Billionario News Channel it now has a clear directive.
Kasuhan ang dapat pong kasuhan kung sino pa man po ang involved. So makakaasa po kayo na talaga pong magkakaroon po ng resulta sa lalong madaling panahon po yung aming investigation.
Hannah T, Billionario News Channel.